Hello everyone, this is Femi Mewin and I welcome you to the second tutorial video. In this class, you are yet to learn how to create motion graphics, video editing and animation. So this is the second tutorial video which you are going to learn how to create this animation. As you can see, how to create this animation using Alight motion. It's easy. So without further ado, let's get started. So we want to create this animation, and motion graphics is what is a combination of graphic design elements, you know with animation to create visually engaging motion graphics video. But then, before add before you create motion graphics, first thing you need to do is to understand what you want to do, because Alight motion is a tool. You are the creative behind what the project. You will just use Alight motion to bring out to create what you have in your head. So don't learn the tools first. First learn um the basics of the motion design. And if you learn the basics, it will be easier for you to create what motion graphics video. Now you want to learn how to create this motion graphics. We call this what motion graphics. All these elements here is what we call graphics. So if the client said, okay, I need a graphic design, let's say I need a social media design to promote our new product. We just get a new iPhone S and we want to sell it to some people. So I need a social media design, which means you will just save it as PNG for your clients. So this is what we call was graphic design. But if the client said, okay, I need a motion graphics to promote our new product, that means you add motion to the graphics you create. You have already created the graphics now, so you now add motion to it. You will add motion to it, making motion graphics. But before you create the graphic design, what you will um use what the design principles, which is alignment, contrast, repetition, hierarchy. The graphics element here what is well aligned, because the phone mockup is aligned at the center, the text at the center, and this one as well. The price was at the side. Everything is well aligned. It's well aligned. There's no mistake there. So assuming you don't learn design principles, it will be hard for you to create the motion graphics. That's why you need to first learn the basics, design principles and others. Now we want to create this now. So if you want to create this, it will be easier for you to create if you what but if you understand how to use Alight motion, the tools. So I'm going to teach you how to create these graphics before we move to motion. So let's create the graphics. First thing to do, the rules of Alight motion say that before you start creating any project, you need to prepare your assets. If you want to use full mockup, make sure everything is ready. So it will be easier for you to want to create your project instead of searching. Make sure you take your time. If you want to use an hour to create a project, make sure you use 10 minutes or 20 minutes to prepare your resources, the assets you want to use to create the graphics. Prepare everything before you start creating projects. So it will be easier for you to use the element. So now here's the phone mockup. I've already prepared everything. So we want to create it from scratch now. Now let's create a new project. So click on 1:1. Then let's change this to new motion graphics. Then click on create project. Then click on this icon here. So then bring in a shape. Click on this three-dot icon. Then click on stretch to composition area. Tap on it. Then change this color to color white. Then on your grid line. Make sure you on your grid line. So change this color to color black, so you can see the grid line very well. So on your grid line is very essential. On the grid line, then bring in your phone mockup. I'm going to send all the resources to you so you can create your phone mockup. Then scroll down, come to download here. Download. I've already prepare download all the resources I want to use. Everything is set already. So this is the back full mockup. So make sure it's everything is the same size, the same size. So just bring it down like this, bring it behind or the phone. So set it well. Then what next? So let's check the design here. So this one we do the size like this. The grid 9 is very essential. This one, then bring the back of the phone mockup, reduce the size, do the size like this, then bring it up like this. Then bring in a rectangle shape, a rounded rectangle shape like this, then bring it here. Then change the color to green, color green, um, color green. Then so bring in the logo. In this project, I'm going to be using a fictional logo, not the brand logo, a fictional logo. Everything's prepared already. Let me just go to photo room because I've already removed the background. So let's use this. So let's change the color. If you want to change the color, click on add effects, scroll down, click on color and light, scroll down, come to solid color, click on standard settings, then click on this one. So make sure you put it at the right side, which is what we call the right alignment. The right alignment. Then what next? This phone is iPhone S, so type iPhone S. Then we're going to be using this fonts, um Railway. Railway. So you can watch the tutorial video on how to download fonts, how to download and import fonts, so you can understand better. So just increase the size, increase the size. So now increase the size. Then so click on the first full mockup, click here, then merge it to this one. So you want to reduce the size like this, then bring it down bit, then iPhone S, change this one to color. You can see. Then what next? USA use, because this phone is a USA UK use. So just then I'm going to be using Montserrat Italic. Montserrat Italic. Just scroll down, click on semi bold, then change the color to color black, then reduce the size like this. So take it up, reduce the size. The points here, or the main point here was iPhone S. So we need to add emphasis. Don't forget the principles of designs. The main point was should be emphasized by using a different color or by increasing the font. You can use a bigger font or a bold font for the main point there, or you can use a different color. You need to what, use the principles of emphasis. So let's change this color to this color. The USA will use this. So when working on a project, make sure you use what the design principles. Design principles, alignment, you need to balance everything as well. Simplicity, emphasis, reading pattern, lot of principles but make sure you design it well, because if you create bad design and you add motion to it, everything is just zero. But if your design is beautiful and you add motion to it, it will be appealing to your audience and what it will convert. But so that's why you need to take your time to first learn graphic design, because if you don't know how to create design, there's nothing you want to do in motion design. Motion cannot stand alone. That's graphics. That's why we call it motion graphics or motion design. Graphic design is essential. Before I start learning motion design, I learned graphic design. So that's why my project is what is appealing. So graphic design is essential. You need to take your time, learn graphic design. If you learn graphic design, even if you create beautiful design and you add a little animation to your design, it will be appealing because your design alone is beautiful. But it's beautiful. But if your design, if you don't have a strong design skill and you just go to motion design, so tell me, what do you want to add motion to? You want to add motion to your bad designs? No. So that's why you need to first learn graphic design. Now we want to first create the graphics before we add the motion. Then we call it motion graphics. So now we want to create the graphics using what the virtual elements such as we're going to make use of typography. This is what we call typography. And we're going to be making use of color. This is what we call color. We're going to be making use of what shapes. This is what we call shapes. Just pay attention. Motion graphics is simple only if you are ready to learn and implement what I'm going to teach you in this free class. So go back again, watch the video from the module 1 so you can understand better, because this free class alone is what you need before you go to the premium class. So let's continue. Now we need to create the designs, and what next, yes. So we need to type this word iOS, iOS, the content here iOS 11.1.1 command upgrade. It's about phone, so we need to write the full text here to o io iOS 15. And so don't forget, be consistent with your font. Now we're going to use Montserrat regular. Be consistent with your font. Don't use like 6 to 7 fonts in your designs. Don't do it, it's not good. So you need to be consistent and need to keep your design simple. If you keep your design simple, then you're going to grab the attention of your audience. So I'm going to share all these resources to you. Do well to create your own and send it to the coach for review. So change this color to color black, and so let's hide this. So bring this here like this. The alignment. You can see now the grid line here means do alignment. So what you need to follow the alignment now. So alignment is essential when it comes to designing alignment. Then you might be wondering, how will you design this shape? Now, how will you design the shape? It's easy. You can do it in 2 ways. And the first one is that you can bring in a shape like this. Then you will come here, click here, click here. We call this was skew. Then you can do it this way. You can see, but the easiest way to do it is using vector drawing. We call this tool vector drawing tool. Just tap on it, then you will trace the shape by clicking here, add a dot here, come here again, you will tap here again, tap here, add a dot, then come here again, add a dot, come here, add a dot, then you now click here. Please pay attention. You now click here, tap on it, then you will tap on this place to match the shape together. So tap here, as you can see, the shape is matched together. You can see, so easy. So that's also within 1 minute you have already design the shape. So motion graphic design is simple only if you follow the instruction and if you watch this video and paying full attention, so you can understand. Then what will you do now? Just to duplicate the shape, then bring it here. As you can see, simple. So that's why I use this vector drawing tool to draw anything. If you want to draw, just click here, add a dot, bring it again, add a dot, bring it here again, add a dot. It depends on what you want to draw. If you want to draw any shape, just make sure you tap on it to add a dot. D-O-T, dot. So once you tap here, add a dot. Just tap here before you can add a dot. Tap here, as you can see here, tap it. Tap this place, tap it again, add a dot, tap, add a dot, tap, add a dot, tap, add a dot. Then if you want to match the line together, just click here, then you click here to match everything together. It's easy. You can see it's easy. So now we need to write this one. Storage. Write the storage like this. Don't forget, we are using Montserrat font. So now I'm going to use Montserrat medium. Then bring the text here like this. Then decrease the size like this. Bring it here. Montserrat medium. Bring it here. Montserrat medium. Then come here again. Write 64 GB. That's the note. 64 GB. Change the font to pop Montserrat bold. Then come here, click on add effect. The space within the text is too much. As you can see it here. So we need to what the space here, as you can see the space within the text is too much. You want to close it. So click on letter spacing, then close it like this. As you can see, so simple. Then bring it here. Don't forget we are doing what motion graphics, combining what graphics elements. So this number one typography. So combining graphics elements using design principles. So this is what we call left alignment now. It's easy. So what next? Just write this one too, or no, 18,000, 18,000, 18,000 slash months, slash months. Then change the font to this one. Then change the color to color black. Then what next? Reduce it like this and bring it here like this. Yes. So that's how to do it. Then just know what copy the text like this. As you can see, we're almost done. Just copy the text. Then bring it here like this. Copy the text again. Bring it here. Bring it here. Then what next? So just change this one to color black as well. 12 months guaranteed. So just bring it here. Make sure it's aligned well. Aligned well. The alignment is essential. So just copy it again. Bring it here. Bring it here. This. No. So then change this one to color black. Color black. Color black. Then bring it like this. Like this. Then so just come here, write the price. You can write any price you want. You just write 120,000. Bring it here. Don't forget Montserrat font. Be consistent with your font. So change the color to color white. Then so let's change the background to color white so we can see what we are doing. Color white. Color white. Then change this one to color green. A deep green. Just come here. Do it this way. You can see. Let's work on it again. The green color is not deep. Deep color. Nice. Then change this one to the same color. Just pick the color from this one. Then use the same color. This one too. Use the same color. Then zoom it like this so you can see what you are doing. Then bring it here like this. Just reduce the size. Copy. Then bring it here. It's easy to do. Just change the size. Change the font to 150,000. The price will be different because of the multi difference. So the price will be different. Now so change this one to 19.5. 19.5. So just delete this 19.5. Then so as you can see we're almost done. It's easy to do. So we are done with the design already, but then let's change this color to the green color. We need to be consistent with the color, so let's choose the same green color. Yes, design now is what is well aligned and everything is beautiful. Why? Because everything is centered. As you can see, the design is centered. You can see here centered. So that's why. So when you want to work on a design, don't bring your elements. You should bring one here. You should bring one here. You should not bring the second one. You should bring the second one here. No, make sure everything is well aligned. That's how you can become a pro, because a professional always follow the rules, because everything has rules. So when you follow the rules, your design will be appealing. When we ask to put your text at the middle, don't put it at the right. Follow the rules, put it at the middle. Now we follow the rules now, which is alignment. Everything was window alignment, and also what we follow the rules emphasis. We emphasize the main point here, which is iPhone S using a different color. So when you follow the rules, your design will be attractive. Now let's edit this one. So it's time to add this one. This test here, the 12 MP 217, just bring in a square like this, sorry, a rectangle shape like this. So click on edit shape, just edit it this way, then just use the size like this, do the size this way, then just increase it a bit, then bring it here. We want to create a motion graphics, but then we need to first design the graphics before we add motion to it, to make it what motion graphics. So just duplicate it, make sure everything's aligned. That's why I love to use Alight motion, because Alight motion will also show you the red line, so you can see how you align your elements. So you can see the red line. So that's why you like to use this app. Just duplicate, then duplicate again to the top here, top. Nice. So what now, just come here, 5.8. Don't forget we are using the same font, which is what Montserrat. Be consistent with your font, follow the rules, so your outcome of your design will be appealing. Follow the rules so you can create appealing designs. If your friend is using 5 fonts in the design, don't mind your friend, just do your own. Be unique. Your friend is using black and white. If you want to use black and white, don't use it. Be unique. So because it's your uniqueness that will make you stand out among the competitors. We have a lot of competitors doing motion designs, but then if you are unique, then people will love your brand. That's why people love my brand, because I use a different color, I follow the rules, and also I brand myself. So make sure you don't use what others are using. Be unique. And what so bring the text here like this, just make sure everything's aligned, then just duplicate it. Make sure you use the same size of font. Then change this one to 12 MP to 216 mAh. Then battery, so bring it here like this, just use the size. So let me explain to you now. This one here is placed at what left alignment, then this one what the middle alignment, the logo what at the right alignment, following the principles of designs, so you can understand, because I don't want just to create design before without telling you the reason why I place the elements that way. So then 4G light, 4G light, 4G light. So just bring it here this way, 4G light, then just duplicate it again, then 3G RAM, 3G 3GB RAM, then just bring it up here like this. Then so the element I'm going to use now, everything is set already. All the elements set. So the first one is what we call display. So the display, I'm going to edit I'm going to draw the text ourselves. So so let's hide this now. Bring this up. The first one, draw a shape. So change this one to color green. Don't forget, be consistent. Then just zoom it. Display. So just draw a line like this in the rectangle shape like this. So remove the stroke, give it a strong line, a strong stroke. Then bring it here. Reduce the size. Use the size like this. Then the camera, the camera icon, which is this one. So I'll send all the resources to the group. Now we want to remove the background. Just click on add effects, come to chroma key, click on standard settings, then come here, click here to remove the background. As you can see now. So we want to remove this one too. Just come to compact to 9, then remove this one too. It's easy, as you can see. So I remove everything now using light motion. So just bring this one here, bring it here. It's about camera. So just bring it here, bring it here like this. Then the battery. So just come again, the battery. So do the same thing, come to camera key. Then remove the background. As you can see now. So just come here, use the size. Use the size. Then bring it here. Bring it here like this. Bring it here. Then what next? For watching light. Everything is prepared already. Just review the size. Just come to add effect. Click on solid color. Then change this one to color black. Then reduce the size like this. Bring it here. Bring it here. This. Then the RAM. So come here again. So this is the RAM. Just take it down like this. Then bring it here. Yes, we are done already. We are done. So simple to create. As you can see, so simple to create. So now it's time to add animation to it. So let me change this color to color white so you can see. Now we are done with the design. So let me go back again to see. You can see. So if your client say, okay, I need a graphic design, you can just send it to your client as for graphic design. But then if your client wants a motion design, which means you're going to add motion to it. Add motion to it. So it's time to add motion. Add motion. So first element we want to animate here is the phone. So let's hide the remaining steps here. Let's start with the phone. Start with the phone. Scroll down. Start with the phone. So just start with the phone. Then this one, add a keyframe here. Add a keyframe at 1 second. Then come here. Take it here like this. You can see it's coming. So add this in curve to make it smooth. Then the second phone as well. Add a keyframe here. Then take it like this. Oh, sorry, you have merged the two together. So we need to unmerge. We need to unmerge the two together. We need to unmerge it. So now just come here, click on none. So I've already unmerged it. So add a keyframe at here. Then come here, take it like this. So make sure you follow the red line. The red line means that it will direct you if your element is aligned well. So this one to take it down like this. So add this in curve. This in curve to the two. Add this in curve to the two. As you can see now, simple. Then from there, I'm going to animate iPhone S. That's what we point there. So just come to add effects. So come to scroll down, click on text, transform, click on standard settings, click on range. No, first click on transform. You want to animate the text, click on Y, take it down, scroll down, click on alpha, take it to 0, then come back to range, click on start, add a keyframe at 4 seconds, add a keyframe at 1 second, and take it up like this. Then scroll down, click on word. You can see. Then take it up a bit like this. Then scroll down, click on interpolation, then click on overlap. Do it this way. So let's play it now. You can see. But then the iPhone will come after the phone. You can see now the phone, then the iPhone will come. So add a keyframe here to bring it down a bit. You can see, bring it down a bit. So bring it behind the phone. So add the easing curve. So let's click now. As you can see the iPhone S, from the iPhone S to this one. So this one, we're going to add what we call fading effects. Fading. As you can see from here, fading effect. So this one will be coming. So this one, I'm going to animate this one too. Just come here, scroll down, click on test progress, click on standard settings, then click on end, then add a keyframe here, then come to the first keyframe, take it down like this, then add easing curve to this one, then do it this way. As you can see now, after iPhone S, USA used, from USA used to what iOS. From iOS, this one will come in, this one will come in. So what, add this, bring this one to here like this, add a keyframe here, add a keyframe here, then take this like this. So this one will be coming like this. So add this in curve to make it smooth. You can see now this one will come in. So after this one come in now, then the logo will follow, the brand logo. So where's the brand logo? So it is the brand logo. As you can see it here, the brand logo. So just bring it here like this, bring it here, add a keyframe, then take it down like this, and like this, and add this in curve. You can see the logo to be coming. From the logo, what next? Then the image is here, the icon, all these icon. So just bring it here like this. The icons will be coming one by one. As you can see, the icons will be coming one by one. So I'm going to animate everything one by one like that. Though it's going to take your time, but do well to do it and send it for review. So just add keyframe here, then put it like this, add it easing curve like that. As you can see, add easing curve like that. Then this one too. So add what, a keyframe. So as you can see, then this one too, add a keyframe, then do this way. Last one too, add a keyframe, take it down like this, then add this in curve, as you can see now. So straight the keyframe lines. So the first keyframe will come first. This one, the first shape will come first before the others. So this is the first shape now. So let's hide the mini shape. So after this one have come, this one will follow. So this one too. So let's search for the icon. So this is the icon. So let's bring it here. So now you match the icon to the shape. So where's the shape? Just find the shape. So then you need to rename the shape so you can find it easily. Come here, change the name to match. Then you click on the icon. Click on this icon now. Then you now merge it to it. Just scroll down, search for the match. As you can see, this is the match. So just click on it. So it's going to move together. As you can see, it's going to move together now. So let's play it now. As you can see, it's going to move together. So I'm going to repeat the same process to the many icons. Just merge it together. So that this one have come. This one too will follow. This one too will follow. This one too will follow. So what will you do now? Search for the icon. So then bring it here like this. So change the name again. Change the name to match 2. Then come here, bring it up, click here, then scroll down, click on match 2, then do it this way. As you can see, it's going to move together. As you can see now, it's going to move together. So that's how to do it. So it's going to move together. So that's how to animate all the icons. Then this one too as well. This text here. So let's on this. Let's hide the text. So this one too, just animate this one. You can just add a keyframe here. So you can make it like this. Just come from this place. As you can see. So add this in curve to it. So, but make sure it starts from 1 second. As you can see now. But it's too you can make it closer like this. But then you're going to add this effect, fading. As you can see, fading effect. So this one too, repeat the same process. Take it like this, then add this in curve, then come to add effect, then click on fading, then do it this way. As you can see, then after this one are popping, then the text will show. the test what we show. So that's how to do it. I believe you learned something from this video, from this tutorial video. Do well to implement and create your own for review. So I will see you in the next tutorial video. Though this is the last tutorial video for SMDH class. This is the last tutorial video. You know, I've already sent tutorial video for motion designs and video editing. So this is the last tutorial video for animation practical. So do well to watch the last tutorial video from module 1 to module 3 and implement what you learn. Thank you for watching to the end, and I'm going to do a recap of what we learn now. You know, we want to create motion graphics. The first thing we did here is what we create the graphics before we add motion. So what is the graphics? So these are the graphics. The graphics, the graphics, the graphics, the graphics, the graphics. So we first create the graphics, then we add motion to it. Now we call it motion graphics. So if you want to export it now, you click here, then export as video. It's not what a design again. It's now what motion graphics. But if you do not add motion, then you're going to export it as PNG because everything is just static. But if you add motion to it, it's called motion graphics and you export as video. So thank you for watching to the end, and do well to watch the video and implement what you learn. Thank you.